Hi, I'm Shannon Grissom and welcome to another episode of Painterly's 2-Minute Tips. Inside you'll find tips on painting, on the creative process, marketing your art, and so much more. Don't miss a thing. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, hello there. On today's 2-Minute Tips session, we are going to talk about 5 Italian art terms. There are way more than 5 terms, but they wouldn't fit in a 2-minute tip session. And I gotta tell you, every time I think of these terms, it makes me think of my Italian grandparents and smile. So here are 5 terms that we're going to talk about today. Number 1, impasto. No, I am not talking about Nani's pasta. I'm talking about thick paint here. Paint so thick it stands out from the canvas. And then there's pentimento. This could mean, it could be the mere fact that you painted over an early work or the actual evidence of a work that you painted over. The word is actually Italian for repent. And when I think about painting over a work that I've already done, that really cracks me up. It's the perfect word. Then we've got no finito. Kind of self-explanatory. This means unfinished. Here's one that I didn't finish, but it felt finished, so I let it be. Next we have chiaroscuro. This is using light and shadow to create 3-dimensional form. Here's my modern version. You can really feel the space here. And finally, SFUMATO. Thin strokes that are invisible. They are completely lost edges. They evaporate like smoke, blending like crazy so that no brushstrokes are evident. So now you know. I love that these lyrical words can say so much with just a single word. Thanks for joining me today. For the latest tips and lessons, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.